Did you know your old water heater is probably full of dirt and grime? Right now, if you're here in the greater Sacramento area and need a new water heater, we have an amazing deal. You can get a brand new water heater with low monthly payments starting at just $36 a month. That's right, we'll get you a brand new water heater, install it in your home with payments as low as $36 a month. If you're interested, click below.
Heating and air, plumbing, insulation, gutters, windows, too. Smart energy savings is what we